As I said, I spend most of my time living in my creepy-ass van driving around. And one time I was camping in St. Louis, and when I woke up right like 6 feet from when you open up the side doors, there was a whole line of headstones there, and it was the Allen family lined up right in front of me. And the one stone that was right in front of me said Emily J. Allen, 1849 to 1929. So it was a really old gravesite right there. And I sat down and I wrote this fictitious song about this Missouri family. So, and this is also on Preaching Drunk, which nobody's ever bought, but you can buy it over there tonight.
What's it called?
Emily J. Allen.
Emily
J. Allen.
Here's Joe Cat with Emily J. Allen.
Sleeping with the ghost of Emily J. Allen. Lying up in a family's old Missouri grave, and they all were nearby in the state's largest chalk map. Night that cleared the lawn, singing songs about the day. Night that cleared the lawn, singing songs about the day. 1800 when they came to East Missouri, well, her daddy built a house and began to build their name. When the mountain caved in and it took her father early, they had to dig the first hole in the family grave. Sleeping with the ghost of Emily J. Allen, lying up in a family's old Missouri grave, and they all work nearby in the state's largest chalk mine. Night that cleared the lungs, singing songs about the day. Night that cleared the lungs, singing songs about the day. Emily was not just a single child. She had 3 other brothers, end up the same way. She took care of them boys till the roses hit their coffins, and sometimes at night her singing down by the grave, sleeping with the ghost of Emily J. Allen. Well, she's lying up in her family's old Missouri grave, and they all work nearby in the state's largest chalk mine. Night to clear the lungs, singing songs about the day. Night to clear the lungs, singing songs about the day. She worked on the farm and lived well past 8, yeah, helping people in the town with nothing to their name. Then when Emily died, well, they bought her a headstone and sang the songs that she taught them about a family name. Sleeping with the ghost of Emily J. Allen, lying up in her family's old Missouri grave, and they all work nearby in the state's largest chalk mine. Night that cleared the lungs, singing songs about the day. Night that cleared the lungs, singing songs about the day.
That's Joe Cat.
Thank you.
Emily J. Allen.